Hi, I'm Joe from Screw Innovations with another Night Power Sports product. This is our cell phone Safebox mount. Inside this box, you'll get some paperwork, of course with a sticker, the written instructions showing you how to mount this product, the Safebox with mounting plate, and of course the hardware used to mount it and to trim your foam and glue it together. So this Safebox is green. We have 7 different colors to choose from. And as I said, this mount that comes with it, this is our flat mount to mount to any flat surface. This also has threads in it. Those threads can be used with our optional kit here that you can add to your Safebox. This is our PVC mounting kit. Our PVC mounting kit includes 2 elbows, 2 pieces of pipe, 2 threaded adapters, the mounting puck, and a spacer, along with 2 screws and 2 nuts. And this can be set up in any orientation, so you can mount on any surface and any direction. Here's the finished product. I'm going to show you how to install that now. On this Polaris Sportsman, we are finding that right about here is a good spot to mount the Safebox. So just make sure that anything that moves is not going to come in contact with it. And then same as the other one, kind of see where you're going to want it. And then start with the mounting puck. Put that down. The flatter the surface, the better. So I'm going to try to go right in this flat spot here. I'm going to mock it up first, just pushing these together. Cut these lengths if I need to, so that I get the Safebox right about where I want it. And then start to screw the puck in. So I just cut this one piece. Again, I'm just mocking it up here, try and get where I want it. Like that, a little too far. That's good. Spacer on this one, screw into here. Want that a little closer, so I'm going to cut this piece down. Okay, I like that right there. In this case, again, I'm going to drill some holes and screw it in. I might put some epoxy around them because this is still waterproof on my quad. So I'll drill these holes, put a little epoxy around them and bolt it in. Bolting it down, I do think, is the strongest way. The epoxy and double-sided tape definitely holds really good. I know that many people have done that and it hasn't budged at all. But I like using screws, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So now that's installed and tight. I'm going to do one more final mock-up with this before I glue or paint. That all tight right where I want it. That looks good. Again, make sure everything clears. So that's perfect right there. I'm going to paint this. Be ready to go. So we have this all done and painted. I did not use glue and primer because it does hold very strong. So now we're ready to put it back on. So I'm going to take this off, screw this in here. You can use a wrench on there if you want, just don't go too tight, there's no need for it. Next, I'm going to put the spacer on here and screw this into the back of the safe box. Like that. Now I am ready to put this on here, just like that. Rotate it to exactly where I want it, make sure everything's tight. And that's it. Need to trim the foam out, put our phone in there, we'll do that next. But the mount is done, ready to go. Ready to go. The only thing left to do now would be to trim the foam, which you can see exactly how to do in our other video. For this purpose, I'm going to pop out the foam that's in here, and then what you would do is line up your phone. If you have a wireless charger, you would cut this out a little deeper. Glue it all together so you end up with something like this. That goes in, your phone goes in, and you're ready to go. That's it. You can use your phone while you're riding. Want to look in some parts on our website or a map, whatever you need, ready to go.